Hey there everyone, Maria Marquis here. In this video, we're going to go over the most important database pattern, the one big table. It's easy to get started, and it'll probably serve your purposes in pretty much every Coda doc you make. So let's figure it out. What is one big table? Well, the answer is in the name. It's one big table with all your stuff in it. Let's actually see an example. So here we are in my inventory management table. It's got all of the books, what status they are, we got some buttons that allow us to change the status, who has it checked out, and also the last time it was updated. This table contains everything I need to know about the inventory collection. It's one big table, right? So let's figure out how we actually make our own one big table to get started. It all starts with typing / inside of your Coda doc. Do / and table. There it is. You can add it starting off blank or pulling in something you already have, and then create the list of information and a column for everything that describes it. Now, step 2 is to choose your display column, and we do that by clicking on the column and choosing Set as Display Column. By default, the first column will be set to that, but you're allowed to change your mind. Display column means this is the most important column in the table. It's the column that everything else in the table is about. In our inventory example, it was the books. In a project tracker, it would probably be tasks. In a list of students and their grades, it would probably be the student's name. Those columns describe everything else about that display column. So choose it based on what's most important to you. The next step we want to do is add our stuff. We can either copy paste, use an importer, or just start typing and adding it directly. Lastly, you then can visualize it with different views. You could filter the information, or you could change how it looks by clicking on options and choosing one of these up here. Now that one big table allows you to power the rest of the doc so you can answer any question you have about your data with just a couple clicks. So now it's your turn. Go ahead, add a big table, and I'll see you next time.